morning. Morning, buddy. Little taxi.
So welcome to our garden expansion project that we've been working on for the last week.
Yeah.
It's a no-dig garden with rustic cedar planters, sort of like our raised bed planters in the glass greenhouse.
Yep.
And we started on this because we were taking a break from our geothermal greenhouse.
Yeah.
Because we're waiting for one piece of equipment that's required to ram the earth.
If you've been following along with us for a while, you'll know that we have a huge project that we've just started. It's a massive hole in our yard right over here. It's a 1,200 square foot greenhouse, all year round greenhouse. And we are super eager to be working on that project. But like James said, we're waiting for a component to continue on with that. So because we can't stay still and it's summer and we had an idea that we wanted to expand our garden, here we are standing in our now almost 4 times the size no-dig garden. That's 3/4 of the way done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the garden we did last year is pretty much almost half of it is garlic. So we definitely didn't have enough room.
No.
We planted the garlic last fall.
Yeah, and it's a whole entire planter is garlic. So we quickly realized that if we want to grow food to sustain ourselves all year, or to grow food that we can keep all year, we need a way bigger garden. So here we are. We're right now, this morning, we are, like we said, 3/4 of the way done. But this video, we're going to show you from start to finish how we got to this point. And this will probably be at least a 2-part video series. Yeah, we will definitely keep you updated. Behind us, I've got this whole back planter planted. I've got cucumbers, peppers, all kinds of stuff through here. And then I've got all my tomatoes, which Bob is eating.
He's eating the compost. Come on, buddy.
Bob is eating. These are all my tomatoes that I'm going to plant today. I don't think they're all going to fit in here, but we'll see. And then this whole area is actually corn, which is another thing that's really awesome that we can grow now because we have the space. So it doesn't look like much now, but
Give it a week.
Give it a week, give it 2 weeks, and we will definitely keep you updated. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
Hey, Boobadoosh Kaboo. Oh, Clyde too.
Hey, man.
Misha's garden expansion. So we're going to be tripling this. So really it's going to be 4 times the size.
Yeah.
So 3 more this big, basically.
I think 3.5 of this.
Okay. Well, we need a few tools for it. We need the post pounder and string line. So we got the string line out, and we've got some pins as well in the ground. So just to map it out. Whoa. Got one there, and another one over here. So we're gonna come off at a bit of an angle to the existing garden. We're gonna have to remove the two center posts. We'll leave in the far one. And then I've got another line here already. But we're gonna build up this bank a bit with some of the fill from the excavation for the geothermal greenhouse. So I want to end up parallel to that front line. Oh, that wind. So good. Can't be more than like 20 degrees.
I know, it's literally 20 degrees.
It's these boots.
I bet you.
They're making my whole body.
Sweat just flew at me. We're back at Bob's Mill, which means that we're doing a lot of projects right now. Free lumber, in case you missed our last video about building our cedar planters for free. We are getting more free lumber, cedar slabs, for the edging for the
No-dig garden.
no-dig garden
Expansion.
So we're back. We just finished up. James picked through all these piles that you see behind us.
Just where it's opened up.
Yeah, and it's all been dried and cured, and it's this nice sort of like silverback gorilla gray color that I like. So we are going to head home, and the next step is fencing, isn't it?
I gotta put these around the perimeter.
Oh, we're gonna, yeah.
And then in between the posts.
Yeah, and then we're gonna put up the fencing.
And then the fencing, so I don't have to walk around in circles.
Yeah.
And go through the fence.
Yeah, we learned something from building the first no-dig garden. All right, so we're hot and sweaty, and we're going home. See you there. Bobby, come.
Bob.
He's here.
Good?
Come here, Bob.
Good?
Yeah, yeah. Come here, Bob. Wait for us. Wait for us. Ooh. Party in here? Yeah?
Well, this one. Yeah, we can use that one.
Good girl.
Well, I think you got it. You can probably do 2 posts.
Okay, that.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's long.
Part-time chicken director.
We have some new inspectresses.
Little Tuck's ridiculous.
How cute she is. Yeah, she's really cute. She's always the last. Look.
I know.
She's like, doo-doo-doo. Why are you guys going so fast? She says.
She's not part of the pack.
She is, but she just likes to.
She
She's
came
a-
from a different family.
Yeah, it's true. She's a dilly-dallyer.
The birds are really cramping my progress.
It's totally worth it.
It's actually not completely true. I'm moving like a sloth. Hey,
Chainsaw Man.
it's Chainsaw Man. It's Chainsaw Man.
Bobby? Bobby? Are you hot? Is that it?
Now I have these two, but not one.
How heavy is that?
It's heavier than what I want to lift right now.
Yeah, it's. I'm too tired to lift this heavy. Hey, horsey.
It's
Thank you,
only
babe.
96 pounds.
That's heavy.
Yeah, I don't think I can lift it right now.
No, I don't think you should. Let's go have dinner.
No, we gotta get. You can't leave your garden exposed.
Oh yeah,
The
right.
garden's naked.
It is naked. Ooh, no fence. No fence. Fence. Doing it. He's doing it.
I drive it too. Alright, so we got our fencing up. Oh, it's bright. Bright and hot. Got the fencing up, baseboards in. What's next?
Cardboard.
Cardboard. And we also got a bunch of pieces ripped for
Planters. Borders.
the borders for the raised beds. Or the no digs. The no dig borders. Not a raised bed. You ready to do this?
Yep.
Alright.